For some people, the money needed to start that business that has turned to passive income is not small. Some people, the time they have invested in building what is giving them passive income now is not little. So high upfront cost. Now let's say I have started this YouTube channel now. For me to start making money on it, it will take weeks or months for me to start making money on it. But I've invested my time in making videos. I've invested my time in uploading those videos and having sleepless nights in editing the videos. But then it will not start making money for me immediately. It will take time before I start to earn money. And for YouTube, it's not passive income. For some businesses, for some YouTube channel, it's not passive income. They have to keep uploading every time. In fact, YouTube channel generally you have to keep uploading. But for some videos you make, there are some videos that they will be evergreen. Even 10 years from now, 20 years from now, people will still keep watching them. And by watching them, you will still keep making money, even though you have stopped making videos. Now, if you make books, some people will make books and then they will be selling a lot of books. Now, for them to create those books, it takes time, it takes effort. So it requires high effort to start. But after you make those books, then you start earning from them years, tens of years and hundreds of years after that period. Because those books might still be relevant if you actually do evergreen books. So high upfront effort is required. Another thing you have to understand about passive income is that it is not really passive. And when I say it's not really passive, is this: even though we say with passive income, your time is not required. Now it's generating money for you, but you still need to do, if it's a rental property, you still need to do maintenance. If it's a business, you still need to oversee that business. Okay, so it's not completely passive, but at least 90% or 99% of the time, you don't need to do anything. But just the 1% of the time, just oversee it, what is going on with it, hope it's doing well, and then you just want to know, is there something I need to improve? And then are the people doing well? The people that are already operating the business, are they doing well? In as much as you have that done, then you are good to go. So it's not really passive. That's another problem. Scams and mites. Okay, what some people call passive income, it's actually scams. They will tell you just put 100,000 naira into this thing, then every month you'll be getting 50,000 naira. And then this is passive income. In fact, there is nothing like this. In fact, this is cryptocurrency. They can call it different name. Oh, you can this one is called farming. You know, you don't have to have your own farm. The government has already given people land. Just invest so and so money, and every month you invest 100,000. Every month you'll be getting 50,000. It sounds good to you, and they call it passive income, but it is actually a scam. Okay, so you have to understand that another problem with passive income is some of the passive income we see, some of them are scams. So let me show you the solutions. What are the things that actually work and we can consider them as passive income? Well, I used to talk a lot about stocks. I used to talk a lot about index funds. So you can buy dividend generating stocks, and these dividend generating stocks actually, they will give you dividends. Sometimes the capital will also, there will be capital appreciation too. Then you can buy index stocks as well. But you have to understand, with these ones, they are going to take time. So you need patience to be able to maximize them out. Okay, so patience will be needed, but you can go into dividend stocks and index funds. Another thing you can go into as passive income is rental properties. Like I've told you, when you have rental properties, even if you give it to agents, it's not going to be 100% passive. But actually, you can still run it that way. So another passive income you can go is this rental properties. You can build shops and rent it out. You can build houses and rent it out. You can build hotels and start the business of hotel. You just build it. You don't need to do anything. You put people there that will be managing it, and then it will be running on its own. You'll be having your passive income come to you. You don't really have to do anything actually. So rental properties is actually one of the passive income you can actually go into. Digital products, like your books. You can write books, put them on Amazon. You can write books, put them on different platforms, and then you'll be selling them. You make one book, you sell it to thousands of people, and you make thousands of money and millions of money. Okay, so it's going to be passive income. Just upload it, but you actually require high upfront efforts for you to create book, to upload them. But after you have done that, you don't need to do much. So you'll be earning the money passively. So you can create books, you can create your video content like I'm doing now, and then upload them. And if it's content that will still be relevant in 10 years, people will be watching them and you continue to earn from it. So let me just quickly give you my advice. Stop chasing easy money. Oh, there is money here, it's easy money, just put this one there and then you get this. You want to chase fast and easy money. Stop that. You should know that building wealth actually takes time. Having passive income actually takes time. So you should stop chasing easy money. That's the first thing you should know. Start thinking about build once and benefit later. Like I've told you about ebooks you can create, I've told you about YouTube content you can create, I've told you about some things you create now and then you start to benefit from them years later. Okay, so think of build now and then benefit later. That's another that you think are going to benefit. Bye.